Welcome everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can see your TikTok history. There are more types of history, but in this video I will show you how to get entire TikTok watching history very fast. Firstly, you go to your profile, after that settings and privacy, then you need to click first available option, account. Then among all these options you will pick download your data. Here you have request data and download data. Before downloading anything you must request it. You just make sure you check TXT and click request data. After that you have to wait for TikTok to send you notification with message that your data is available for download, and to be honest it usually don't take more than 12 hours. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed in this video, please leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.